ICYPHILIS is serious. freestdkcheck.org. That's why we need billboards like this. Without this, I would have never known.
We ran out of time.
All right, welcome to the new build. We gotta hurry up and show them before they keep trying to peek at it because it's the coolest build we've ever done. Damn! Dude, it is the coolest thing ever.
The smallest wheels I've ever seen.
These are aftermarket Russian wheels.
They got the little chrome rain guards.
Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. Pedals go down.
They're floor mounted. Yeah.
No, they're not floor mounted.
Wait, what?
You just push them down for whatever reason. Oh yeah, my radio's flashing, so maybe the battery is gonna be dead.
Damn. Smooth as butter. This thing is actually sick. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Dude, listen to her purr. Oh! It's so weird. The wheel is like right there. Damn, she's stanky. It's that Japanese gas. All right, let's try not to get pulled over. God, everything. Maiden voyage. No tack. I have no idea what RPM we're at.
Just gotta go by the feel.
Come on, wipers. You hear that little tick?
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, blinker's on the other side. There's the blinker. Okay. I don't know if they work. Who said the AC didn't work? Who's honking? I wonder how fast we can get her. Oh, this is kilometers an hour. I'm thinking we're going way faster than we are.
I don't know how. I think I might have put the blinkers on. Or tried to put the blinker on and then put the wipers on. Dude, we need some defrost.
Roll that window down.
An accident in this?
Done. We're just looking at all the quirks and features of the mini truck. You can have your lunch when you're working on the farm. Have your nice cold beverage there. All this storage back here. Look at the floor mat. Look at that. Cover all Gorilla. Too cool.
Matching Gorilla, dude.
Ja-ja.
That's how you say the emblem.
Dude, this is so sick.
I'm gonna have to get him tattooed. Tattooed.
Dude, look at
Candy, I dare you to eat it.
I'm gonna say that might not be candy.
There's another one.
So far, this thing is amazing.
Dude, we need to make shirts with this dude on it.
Yeah.
Dang, dude, you got a little
Japanese cig.
Is it a Japanese thing? Terrier.
chariot.
So yeah, what is the purpose of buying this?
It'll be Kei Truck versus ATV, Billy's Farm,
Yeah.
Billy Riz.
My father-in-law.
And with integrated care and coverage, all you can do is focus on
I'll blow the horn until somebody shows up.
He's a man. We're not going to tell him that we're bringing these either. We're just going to surprise him.
Just show up at the farm.
Hey, we got some vehicles. He's like, okay.
He's got like a bunch of ATV, like woods trails.
Yeah. He's
And
got 80 acres of
You can't
trails.
fit a car in there, so
No.
we can't. Like I tried to take my Sequoia through there. It's definitely not.
This is like as wide as those ATVs, essentially.
Yeah.
Side by side.
How do you get to the engine?
Hey, look at the little four-cylinder.
660 cc.
Power.
Yep. 4-cylinder. So yeah, most of the Kei trucks are actually just 600 and they're 3 cylinders. There's a Clover 4-cylinder, whatever the hell that means.
Oh, there's 2 more 10 mils up front.
Dude, should these be smoked?
Yeah. I need one.
What's up, dude?
Whose is this? Greg bought this? Are you gonna drift it? Wow, those mirrors are actually super cool because they go every way. It's opposable mirrors.
I'm gonna put these
Is
two
that your
bolts back
speaker?
in here.
No, that's the headlight.
What?
Headlight cover, yeah.
There's the plug.
You're gonna need a wrench for this side.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a
Dude, it has this little thing you flip up.
ratchet.
So you can get your hand in there. I don't know how you get your hand in there, but you can unplug it, replace the bulb through this hole.
They thought of everything.
Very serviceable.
Soon this will be the greatest car ever. Just brace yourself for that quote.
I need one now.
Apparently you can wash the interior too with a hose. They probably never washed behind their bumper. All right, now that she's all clean, tore down, we go around and figure out what dents we're gonna fix. Obviously that, because it's fucking rusting. Maybe that, I don't know if I really care. This one for sure. It's not fully dry, so.
Well, on the bed, you had a couple little things. I guess it will sand out. Well, the driver's side was like a long scratch and kind of rusty.
Oh, yeah. There's like a gouge on the one bed side. All right, so I'm gonna fix those two dents. Primer, scuff this whole thing. I'm not going crazy. I'm just taping everything off that's still on the car. Shoot some color on it.
Look at that rust. A little moisture.
You gotta go inspect his work.
Yeah, this might be a little big for you.
For real? What's up, baby? Let's come down and go get some barbecue.
All right, so now the fun stuff begins. Sand the whole car, 400. Finish off this top coat. A little primer. I'll probably end up just time-lapsing that stuff because it's not very interesting. Hopefully we'll have it painted by middle of the week.
All right, so we're gonna mix up sealer, which is probably gonna be very close to the actual color. Did we reveal the color yet? No, don't worry about it. But we're gonna go dark gray, which is 75% black, 25% white. It's good for these three colors.
The best part of painting. All the tedious bullshit.
Getting all the angles. Yeah, that's it.
Eggshell, Tim.
Really?
You need that shine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, so sick.
This is the most judgmental face he's making right now, man.
But you can't see the pearl in it now. It looks like primer. Now it really looks like primer.
Yeah.
You should just make
You
it
get a
with-
bunch of those fake gunshot hole stickers.
Put one on your window.
fake katana slashes, yo, since it's a
The
Japanese.
sprayer had a mini truck. It was definitely Look at that. Oh wait, you can't see that. You can see these though. My sweet. God damn it! I forget this guy.
What is on the back of that?
Probably like a axle grease. Dude, it's gotta be refinished anyway, dude. I don't know exactly what these came off of. I'm pretty
Honda.
sure it was an early 2000s like Civic maybe. I don't know, but it's actually a pretty cool wheel design,
Dave
and
and
it's
Pete should know.
4x100, so it'll fit. It comes with tires that I'm gonna be swapping out, and then we're gonna wait for the clear to finish baking, and then we can start throwing together the front end. And I got a bunch of LEDs and stuff for the lights, and now it'll start going together. And then I just need to Raptor line it and spray some accent parts.
Purring like a kid. He's a exhaust.
With a long drive.
Once the roll bars back on, this will be a nice spot to hang on.
Let's hit the dirt. I gotta put the LEDs on because the bumper and the headlights have to go on. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.